Want to make a dancing broomstick out of a piece of paper? Follow me. Fold the round paper in half twice. Unfold the paper and apply glue. Cut fringe shapes, being careful not to cut all the way through. Stick the straw to the center of the paper. Wrap a paper strip around the part where the straw and paper connect. Draw a cute face with a marker. What's your favorite color for a little broom? Let me know in the comments section. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this mini broom DIY tutorial. You can try making more cute brooms with different colored paper and decorations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.